Hello and welcome Forex traders. We are looking at the Euro US on the 4-hour time frame. I just want to show you a trade I took here, looks like a day and a half ago. And I thought I recorded a video on this and I did not. I was looking back through as it just about took profit and I realized I hadn't even started the video. So here we go. I will explain to you now kind of where I got in and why. Alright, so what happens here is we bounce, establish this level. Stops are taken right here in a bad way. In fact, if I zoom out, you'll see that it was a stop on this level as well as the open of the market. I'm going to zoom out one more time. Right here, this gap, okay, this gap was taken out as well. Zoom back in. So that in of itself was a fantastic trade if you would have got in on the pullback somewhere on the next candle. However, or you could have even got in at 50% retrace up in this level. I didn't see this. I'm not sure what I was doing. Anyway, I wasn't looking at this chart. I actually got in based on this second signal. Okay, we push back above this level right here for a second push, and there's your fail. Okay, the market takes out everything in one giant bearish engulfing candle. So when I saw this, I waited on just a slight retrace. I did catch this. I came in right as this closed and traded right on the retrace of this candle. So I was in on the very next candle, which probably it was a few minutes later that it got up into this range and just kind of hovered there before falling off. All right, so that was my level. Let me draw this out for you so you can see that not only did we engulf all of these prior bodies, we broke down below the established support level right here. Okay, little pullback for the entry short, and my target is in fact above the most recent low, bounce low, which you could argue is any one of these levels right here. So let's just do this. Okay, I am well above that level. All right, okay, our 2 times profit target was reached as the market moves down quite sharply, I might add, to the downside to retest this level of support that we marked earlier as a expected target for where the market was going to move to next. Now what we do here is we watch this level for another pattern. Okay, let me just say this once again. What happens right here? Traders pick highs and they go short here. The market moves back. Now there's traders playing this bounce and they're going short here. When the market moves, and all the while they put their stops right here where I got this highlighted. Okay, the market moves back to a level like this and starts to fall off. More traders are seeing this as an opportunity to go short. This is a key level they want to sell at. Okay, and they do. They sell, and immediately, once again, they place their stops right here. So now you've got stop orders from traders here, here, and here. Okay, they're quickly and swiftly taken out. Also, you have this gap, okay, and this bearish spike moved into this gap range, which is a whole nother course in of itself. If you've studied the gap trades and all that, that is something that a lot of people teach and trade. They watch for the market to come back to the gap and either break through it. In this case, it would have been a giant white candle. They would have got in right there, or perhaps it's fallen off. My point to you is this: there's a lot of trading activity going on right in the range of a gap, and also a lot of stop hitting action when it breaks above a key level like this. All right, so it was just logical that it was going to move down into this prior support. So at any rate, that's it's pretty simple stuff. Just watch for these key levels. And also one other thing, what happens here that makes this so nice is if we were trading this, we would have set this as our target right here, the most recent bounce level, support. That would have been where we're at. A lot of traders set much loftier goals and expectations. They don't know when to get out. They see it going their way and they just get all excited and they just keep riding it, and then it turns and it comes back and it takes them out. Okay, and now they're just hoping and praying and it becomes a gamble. So don't let that happen to you. Set up your trade with the proper risk-reward management. Shoot for the level that you predetermine based on what you see on the chart, and just set it up like that every time, and you'll be successful.